Hello guys, welcome to the Set Commerce YouTube channel. In this video today, we will learn how to fix unavailable mobile and desktop landing page error of the Google Merchant Center. So let's get started. Log into your Merchant Center and go to Diagnostics tab. Under the Diagnostics tab, you'll see the unavailable mobile landing page and unavailable desktop landing page error. These errors basically mean that the products have been removed from your website and their landing page is not available. Now when Google tries to crawl the product landing pages of your store and is not able to find the mobile and desktop landing pages, the products get disapproved, and this is why the unavailable landing page error occurs. To find the actual reason why these products got disapproved, click on View Examples. You can see there that there are few products which have been disapproved under this error. Now if we open one of the products from the list to check the error, we find that Google crawlers are not able to fetch the image of the product and the landing page of this very product. If we click on View on my website, it will redirect us to the store where the landing page should be there. But as you can see, there is no landing page found on the store, which means that the product has been removed from the website. Now in this case, as you have uploaded the product to your feed in the Google Merchant Center, but Google is not able to find the landing page of the product, it will lead to disapproval of the product under unavailable landing page issues. So now let's see how you can fix this issue. If you want to fix this error, you have two options. You can either add the product to your website and sync and update your feed to Google Merchant Center. This way, the product will get approved by Google. Or if you don't want to add the product to your store, then you need to remove all those products from your Google Merchant Center account. Now you can do it manually one by one. If you click on View Examples, you will see the item ID. You can also search the products through title, but searching the products with item ID is quite easy. You just need to copy the item ID and open all products in the new tab. Here you can see all the products that have been uploaded to your Google Merchant Center. You have to click on Filter and find the item ID from the list. And now just paste the item ID you have copied and click on Apply. You will find the same product that has been disapproved under the unavailable desktop landing page error. You just have to click on the checkbox and then delete and confirm. Now this product will be removed from your Google Merchant Center. You need to follow the same for all products that have been disapproved under the unavailable landing page issue. Now once you remove all the disapproved products, the error will disappear. You can also check the policy for this error. If you click on Learn More, you will get the policy document. Read all the content related to the issue, as it might help you in fixing the error. Hope this helps, and if you have any other queries or want any more tutorials on other similar topics of Google Merchant Center, do let us know in the comment section below. We will see you in the next video soon. Thank you so much for watching this video.